Hello everyone, I'm Sara, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English.
I'm here to help you. Learn how to use adjectives to describe people and things. Let's begin with the key points. Describing famous people. Describing family members. Describing objects with multiple adjectives. Summary. Describing famous people. We often talk about celebrities or public figures. Let's describe them using two types of adjectives. Appearance: tall, short, blonde, dark-haired, well-dressed, attractive. Personality: confident, generous, funny, intelligent, creative. Here are some examples. He is tall and has short dark hair. He's also very funny and confident. She is elegant and always well dressed. She seems kind and intelligent. Describing family members. Now let's talk about people in your life and your family. You can use the same types of adjectives. My sister is short and has curly brown hair. She's very kind and hard-working. My uncle is tall and slim. He's a quiet and serious person. Combine both appearance and personality in the same description. Describing objects with multiple adjectives. Next, let's describe objects using several adjectives. When we use more than one adjective, we need to put them in the correct order. Size, shape, color, material, noun.
Examples: a small round black plastic button, a large square white wooden table, a long red silk scarf.
Summary. Let's review. Use adjectives to describe a famous person's appearance and personality. Emma Watson is tall and slim. She has brown eyes and wavy hair. She is intelligent, confident, and kind. Describe the appearance and personality of family members. My sister is tall and funny. She likes to wear long blue silk dresses. Combine size, shape, color, and material to describe objects clearly. A small round red plastic ball.
Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.